Hey, welcome to another unboxing. Today we're checking out a Fab Fours 90mm fog light with wiring. So picked this up off of Amazon for about 70 bucks. I don't know how my other one got cracked. It had some pretty thick glass, about a quarter of an inch seemed like. Anyway, so this is for Fab Fours custom bumper for a Toyota Tundra, and it probably fits a lot of most of their other bumpers, but this is what we're looking at here. So that's different than what the picture was. So this is an LED. It didn't say LEDs. It just said Fab Fours 61350 90mm fog light with wiring. And this is, the other one says Fab Fours on it, and this one doesn't. But it looks like it's the same thing. And the wiring is just a couple bare wires there at the end. And the other one shows a plug-in in the picture. So maybe they switched over to LEDs and they don't put the little Fab Fours logo on their light anymore. But I mean, I prefer LED because the other one had had like a halogen bulb or something like that. But that's the deal right there. I'm gonna be doing an install video of this. I actually went and bought another one because I had one with a halogen bulb and one LED. And so I wanted them both to match, so I went ahead and ordered another one of these. But I'll be putting these in. I'm also going to be, well, that's a different video, but I will be spraying down my bumpers with some bed liner coating, Rust-Oleum. So that should be fun too. Anyways, that's it for the unboxing, my friends. It's you got a big old gnarly like LED in there. It's probably fairly bright, and I'll be doing an install video when I get this thing in also. So. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. And thanks for watching this unboxing, my friends. When I do the install video, I'll go ahead and put that in the description below as well if you guys want to check it out. So, all right, everyone have a great day. Thanks for watching.